Hey there, ABD Construction. So in this video, I'm just going to go over a few things that either you can do or I would be able to help you out with just to improve your online presence. So as you can see, I have your website pulled up here, and I'm just going to talk about your website, and then I'm going to compare it to your competitors and show you a couple things you can do to improve and then beat out those competitors. So right now you have a website, which is amazing. It's great. And I'm so glad that you have pictures here showing projects you've done. Something to consider would be updating your website. It's very outdated at the moment. It says it was made in 2015, but the software looks pretty outdated and it's not as user-friendly as you would want it to be. It's also not secure, which is something you want for customer assurance. And another thing is, when you have this website, you want to be found for it, right? You don't want it just be sitting there not opened or used. You want it to be at the top of Google when someone looks up contractors in your area. And so for Google to fully optimize your website, it wants about 1,500 words on your front page and then lots of words on your other pages as well. But right now you don't have many words. You, of course, do have these back pages with some information, but there's really not a lot going on. So what you're going to want to do is get more words and just kind of update the website as a whole. So here, if we look at your top competitors, we see that they have some words, honestly not a ton, and that's something where you can easily beat them out. You can see, however, that their website is much more user-friendly, updated. They've got a video going on, these changing ads in the front. So that's somewhere where you can get up to speed on and then go ahead and beat them out in that word department. And part of the reason that words matter so much is keywords. And so I have this tool, it's called SEO Quake, and it shows us the keywords within a website. So this is for your website, and I'm not sure what's going on with your keywords because I don't even see that in your website. It's just a whole bunch of gibberish, and honestly, you want your keywords to be things that buyers would look up, customers would look up to find you. So you want your keywords to be things like contractors, contractors in Hampton, Virginia, contractors in Virginia, home repair, home building, things like that. Any services that you have and your area is what you want it to be, because that's buyer intent. That's someone who's looking for a contractor and they actually want to have you. I don't know who looks up things like Escort Izmir, but they're probably not looking for a contractor. So that's somewhere to notice. And if we look at your competitors here, we can see that they have at least their company name, it looks like, but they have Hampton, Virginia contractors, so you want things like that. And theirs aren't great at all. As you can see, there's some random stuff, random numbers. So you do want to, you can beat them out with this if you improve those keywords and get those more buyer intent keywords like I was talking about. And so if I come over here, and I feel like contractors in Hampton, Virginia is something pretty common that someone would look up who is looking for a contractor in Hampton, Virginia. So if we come here, the first thing that pops up is businesses in the Google Maps section, and we have James River Remodeling that pops up first. And so if we come over here, the pen thing, oh my goodness, maybe I won't circle things anymore. James River Remodeling is #1 in the Google Maps section, and you're really far down, and you might wonder why. So there's a couple things. If I click on him here, it shows he's got lots of pictures, he's got lots of reviews, and he's got a nice little thing. I can't remember what yours has because it's pretty far down. I won't go looking for it, but those are a couple things you can do. Another thing that does come into play is citations, and that's where your business's name, address, and phone number is listed on a site such as Yelp, White Pages, Yellow Pages, Better Business Bureau, places like that. And it looks like you guys both, you and your competition for that, both have 15. So you might be wondering, okay, well then why are they beating you, right? Like, it still doesn't make sense. So if we click on it, it actually shows us every single one of their citations, and what it comes down to is the power of the citation, and they just simply have better citations than you, which is, again, easy to beat out. We can get you hundreds of these for a fairly decent price, and so that's what you would want to do. Getting hundreds will easily put you at the top for Google Maps, and anyone who looks up contractors in your area will find you first. So then the next thing is, when you are here, besides the Google Maps, there's the regular websites. And so the first regular website that comes up for a competitor is this one, like I was showing you earlier. And they don't have the greatest, it's a nice website, it's pretty, but they don't have a ton of words, they don't have the greatest keywords. You might be wondering, why are they top? Why are they at the top? And so if we come over here, we have another tool called Ahrefs, and it shows us the backlinks that a company has. As you can see, you have 5 right here. And what backlinks are is when another website links to your website. And what that does is it gives your website more power and authority. It shows Google that there's other websites that know who you are and who are showing trust in you. And you want those websites that do link back to you to be relevant. So you want it to be a home improvement website, things like that that actually have something to do with your field and your industry. If you look at your competitor here, you can see they have 225 backlinks. And what we usually do is we get several hundred to thousands, depending on what your competition is, of these backlinks. And what's awesome is to start out with, we can just click on their backlinks and we can get all the good ones. So they're all listed out right here for us to grab for you if we were able to help you out. And those are just a couple of things that we would be able to do. So of course you can do these things as well. We have the tools to do it and are happy to help you out if you so choose to go with us, but otherwise we really just want to see businesses reach their full capacity and their full potential, and a lot of them aren't doing that because they don't know what they can do online to grow and to be better. It's not just about advertising and ads and things like that, but it's actually just your website itself and your listing that people use every single day to find you. So I just wanted to share those few tidbits, and we would love to hear from you. We're Mallard Digital Marketing. My name's Claudia, and I work with my husband, Brant, and you can give us a call at 208-216-7643. And yeah, that's all. Have a great day.